बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज आपके साथ एवरीडे साइंस के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो है वो डिस्कस किए जाएंगे, जो कि मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट हैं, जो कि बार बार पेपर्स के अंदर रिपीट किए गए हैं। अगर आप कोई भी एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं जो जॉब से रिलेटेड है या कोई और कंपटीशन एग्ज़ाम आप दे रहे हैं, तो ये एवरीडे साइंस एमसीक्यूज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो सबसे पहले हमारे पास जो एमसीक्यूज है वो व्हाट इज़ द मेन कंपोजिशन ऑफ द अर्थ। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ Option B, hydrogen and helium. The next MCQ is, which of the following will you use to remove rust stains on cloth? The correct option is option B, oxalic acid solution. Next MCQ is, composition of ozone layer is. The correct option is option C, O3. The next MCQ is, vitamin is called folic acid. The correct option is option C, vitamin B9. Next MCQs, who is the inventor of the first magnetic resonance imaging machine? The correct option is option C, Raymond Damadian. Next MCQs, which of the following lenses are useful in microscope? The correct option is option A, convex lens. Next MCQs, the term white coal is sometimes referred to which of the following? The correct option is option C, hydroelectricity. Next MCQs, how many rows in the modern periodic table? Correct option is option C, 7. Next MCQs, how many columns in the modern periodic table? The correct option is option B, 18. Next MCQs, which of the following is a rich source of vitamin B12? Next MCQs is, correct option is option B, milk. Next MCQs, which of the following planet can float on water? The correct option is option A, Saturn. Next MCQs, pomology is the study of. The correct option is option C, fruits. Next MCQs, elastic rebound theory explains. The correct option is option C, cause of earthquake. Next MCQs, which is the coldest planet? The correct option is option D, Uranus. Next MCQs, at which temperature does bacteria die? The correct option is option C, 149 F. Next MCQs, the only non-metal exists in liquid state is option B, bromine. Next MCQs, the main factor for determining a region's climate is. The correct option is A, latitude. Next MCQs, thanatology is the study of. The correct option is option C, death. Next MCQs, how many megapixels is the human eyes? Correct option is option B, 576. Next MCQs, which metal is called metal of hope? The correct option is A, uranium. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपके साथ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एवरीडे साइंस एमसीक्यू डिस्कस किए गए हैं। वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी करें ताकि आने वाली हर एवरीडे रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके। खुदा हाफिज़।